I do not believe in luck. I believe in the game of probabilities. Yo man, what's good? Welcome to another point of view of a day trader on Sunday. So it's Sunday and you may wonder like what the hell is a day trader doing on Sunday? Because if you know, markets are closed except the crypto markets, but I don't trade crypto. I used to trade it, fun fact. But now it's Sunday. What I'm gonna do? Well, I'm not gonna go to the gym today because it is a rest day. Yeah, rest day. Why am I tripping? Rest day. And I kind of feel like working out a little bit, so I think I'm gonna do some calisthenics at home. If you don't know what is calisthenics, it's pretty much like body weight exercises. That's like that. And yeah, if you don't know who am I, I'm a day trader. I've been day trading for 3.5 years. I turned profitable 1.5 years ago. So I've been profitable day trading for 1.5 years, making money in these markets. And now I'm pretty much just here to motivate, innovate, and educate, show you the reality, what it takes to become a profitable trader. And I'm gonna be real. Took me 2 years of losing to become a profitable trader. And now I'm here because trading changed my life. I wanted to change your life. But yeah, regardless, now it is October. It's about to be November. And I made a rule to myself that I'm going to de-risk, meaning risk less of my money until it's November. Like I will de-risk in the markets until it's November. Why? Because, kind of like 1 week, 1.5 weeks, I've seen that the markets have kind of moving weird in the higher time frame scale. When the session opens, it moves a lot. It's choppy. It's like super choppy. So I'm just, that simple fact, simple logic, even though this month is profitable as usual. But that's just a simple fact. As traders, we need to mathematically increase the odds to succeed. Okay? It's not all about the strategy. It is knowing when to risk more, knowing when to risk less, and obviously taking the best possible trades. So I'm not going to do any dumb shit. So that's how it goes. Obviously, I would never do any dumb shit in these markets because we want to be consistent. And I'm here to show you the reality, what it takes to become a profitable independent trader. All right. But now I'm going to do some calisthenics. I will update you in a minute. All right, man. I just finished up doing those calisthenics exercises. I'm not going to lie. I love it. I love calisthenics. That's what's up. But, I remember this one thing that someone asked me, what does it take to win? What does it take to become profitable in trading or in anything? Well, it's those daily habits that you do. What do you do on day? Do you spend your time working on your goals? Do you spend your time crafting your skills? Or do you spend your time scrolling on TikTok, scrolling on Instagram? Like I told you, it took me 2 years of losing to become a profitable trader. I was flipping burgers at one time, but I had the vision. And I started to build those good habits. I would have become profitable probably in 6 months if I would have gotten the right knowledge. But I didn't. Okay, I didn't. And now I'm here. I'm not complaining. I'm actually happy that I had to go through that because it built me as a person. Regardless, now I'm here to teach you. But like I told you, it takes those good habits. And it took me 2 years of losing. I remember everybody was kind of like, what the hell are you doing, bro? Because I deleted Instagram and TikTok from my phone when I tried to become profitable because I realized that I'm wasting too much time in there. I'm wasting time and I'm not using that time efficiently like I should. So I deleted them. Obviously, that was way before I even started social media, like posting there. Obviously, now I have Instagram and TikTok. I post there, but I don't use it that much. But sometimes I actually find myself watching some Instagram reels and I'm like, whoa, stop right now. Because it's killing you, bro. It's killing you. It's giving you that fucking dopamine, bro. That cheap dopamine. Spikes your dopamine levels and goes below the baseline. Okay, that's just fucked up. Do not do that. Once you build those good habits, you realize that everything becomes much, much more easier. Sure, it's hard in the beginning, but guess what? Rome wasn't built in one day. That's what, it's sacrifice, bro. Sacrifice something. If you do not sacrifice for your goals, then the goals become the sacrifice. Remove all of the freaking habits that most of the people are doing. Why? Well, think about it. About the scrolling Instagram thing or TikTok, that is one example of a bad habit. Average person is doing that. And guess what? Actually, the average American has less than $1,000 in their bank account. The average American is 17 pounds overweight. The average American probably has some health issues, probably some mental issues, not probably in the best mental state. And guess what? Guess what? The average American and the average person is watching TikTok, watching Instagram Reels. Instead of fucking watching that shit, start posting there, like I do. Like mainly, obviously, I post mainly on YouTube because YouTube is like it allows me to reach people that are actually serious. Because I'm posting long form content. If you made it this far, bro, I'm proud of you because you actually are serious about your goals and you're watching these kind of videos. You're gonna get far in your life, bro. Trust me. So just remove all the bad habits from your life and then just replace them with good habits. Simple as that. Now I'm gonna do some work. Alright, man, I just finished up with some work on the computer and now I'm gonna eat some food, cook me some chicken, like 400 grams of chicken. That should equal like 80 grams of protein. I mean, I checked in the back. That's like almost 20 grams of protein per 100 grams of meat, 100 grams of chicken. So that's like 80 grams of protein. Crazy. All right, I'm gonna eat that. Yo, man, what's good? It's getting kind of late, I'm not gonna lie, but pretty much calm Sunday, getting ready for the week pretty much. You know, I'm a day trader, that's what I do. When I'm not trading, I'm getting ready to trade. No, I'm just playing. I'm not thinking about trading 24/7 like I used to. You need to break through from that sort of mindset. Like obviously it's good. It's good to think about the markets when you're not trading. Like maybe you're like getting ready. I'm getting ready. But not in a way that you're trapped. Look, man, I chose trading because I want the freedom. Freedom of mind as well. Think about it. When I used to flip burgers, it was ass. I had 8-hour shifts, sometimes even more. I used to go there pretty early, come at night, and when I'm at home, I was like kind of getting ready for the next day to go again. I was kind of trapped in the mind. And look, man, I didn't have to be there. I'm still young, but I was serious about trading. I wanted to grow my live account. I wanted to get that money to buy some prop from accounts. And I did that. But obviously I quit the job already and I'm making a good money from trading. And now people call me lucky. People call me lucky. They call me, oh, you're lucky that you started at a young age. You're lucky that you're profitable in trading. I mean, yeah, you can think like that. But me personally, I do not believe in game of luck. I believe in game of probabilities. See, think about it. It's all probabilities in business, in YouTube, in trading, in everywhere. But the great part about this is that we, humans, have the opportunity to increase the probabilities, to increase the odds. That's the beauty of it. How do we increase the odds? Well, in trading, when I take a trade, I make sure that every confluence is there. I make sure that I take the best trades. I make sure that I risk correctly. I make sure that everything is aligned. The pressure is building up to buy. The pressure is building up to sell. If it looks shit, I'm not gonna trade. If it looks mid, I'm gonna de-risk, etc., etc. It's a game of probabilities. If I were to want to blow up on YouTube, spread my message even harder, what could I do? Increase the odds, increase the probabilities, maybe post more frequently, increase the skill set, become better at speaking. Look, man, my main language isn't even English, but I'm just improving, increasing the odds as well. And I love to spread the message. In fact, I recommend you to start posting on social media because you have to understand how powerful social media is as well. I understand the power of social media. I understand the power of spreading your message, spreading your value. Trading changed my life, and I want it to change your life. Nobody can take the skill of trading from me. I built that shit, and I want you to build that shit yourself by getting the right knowledge. Okay, that's why I'm spreading the message. And I'm literally building the biggest empire of traders. If you want to join, complete for free, it should be the second link in the description, the free Discord. Alright? But again, how do you increase the odds to succeed in trading? Master the skill set, stay present, and just continue what you're doing. Okay? Do not hop onto another strategy that will decrease the odds. Because you basically just remove all the skill set that you had before because you're just adding some BS to it. And you start to forget the other strategy, and then you do this and do that. Stay present. Focus on one. Increase the odds. See what works. Blah, 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 blah. Alright? Me personally, I do not believe in luck. I believe in the game of probabilities. Guess what? We live in the world full of opportunities. There's a bunch of opportunities there waiting for you to get it. All you gotta do is increase the odds by all means. By all means. Okay? That's the quote of the day. That's how you literally become successful, profitable, whatever you want to do. Alright? As usual, bro, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.